Hi friends, how are you all? So today I am going to show you how you can change the Samsung keyboard to Gboard on Samsung Galaxy phones. This method is very easy. You just need to follow me step by step. Before we start, I have a small request. If you have not subscribed to my channel Zonic Tag, yet please subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store and download Gboard, Google Keyboard. After installing, open the Gboard app. Now tap on Enable in Setting. You will be redirected to your phone keyboard settings. Here turn on Gboard and also enable Google Voice Typing. Next, tap on Default Keyboard and select Gboard from the list. That's it. You will see a done message. Now you can open WhatsApp or any app and check. You will see that Gboard is now active and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tag and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.